church was brought recently.
Man, Daulung. You know, Daulung comes from Kachin Church in Myanmar. Kachin state predominantly is a Christian state, and that's why Myanmar wants to wipe them out, so that they will not have this chance in Myanmar. And he has been a very diligent student these 2 years, and he has been the house master. And we are very, very happy to have him. He's a very capable and dependable leader. He has been discharging his duties as a wonderful leader.
Hello. That you will go out in the word, you will preach the word, you will heal the sick, and you will deliver the sick. In the name of Jesus.
Congratulations, God bless you.
I'll explain to you a little bit about the symbol so that
Your heart's on fire, and every step